in a tiny village called Sunny Patch. A curious orange cat named Muffin dreamed of becoming a hero. Every morning, Muffin watched the town baker deliver bread with his old squeaky cart. One windy day, the cart rolled downhill all by itself, scattering bread everywhere. Muffin dashed through the streets, leaping over puddles, sliding under fences, and catching flying loaves in midair. The villagers laughed and cheered as the little cat stacked the bread neatly back into the cart. At the bottom of the hill, Muffin finally stopped the runaway cat, pulling the rope with all his strength. The baker hugged Muffin and gave him a tiny chef hat as a reward. From that day on, Muffin became known as Captain Muffin, the brave little cat who saved breakfast for everyone in Sunny Patch.